Okay, here we go. We're on.
Yeah. Come to this side and pull from the top from Derek's side.
From Derek's side.
The fix.
There we go. Yeah,
A bit of mud and grass.
How many mud, boys? Out of mud? Oh, here you go. One more time there, Beals.
Mud
one
fat.
time. I need some more here.
There we go. And the goods now.
Narrator.
And there's Cindy there.
And he's like, oh, is that how you do it?
That's
Exactly what she's thinking.
Is that how Cal fixes tires nowadays?
it's a Cal tire
repair right there on the trail. Need some more eggs and shit. Wrap it right around. Try to get it so it's not all lumpy and shit. Hey, you don't want it to be all off balance.
Even distribution. Yeah.
Exactly.
Pretty
Even
cool.
Cindy knows what's going on.
I do.
In the tire biz.
Learned a lesson today.
Oh.
Are we gonna need more stuff, Derek?
No, I think that's probably good.
We're looking good, eh?
Fuel.
What is my
yesterday. Grab that, yeah, right there.
That's probably good, Skylar.
Just in case he's there. You can put pants back on.
What'd you do with my beer?
Oh, it's in the beer holder.
I give it a little bit of pushing.
And there you see it's packed pretty damn solid with mud, grass, roots, clothes.
Eggs.
There might be a chunk of poop in there even.
Maybe. Some beer poop.
But I think it looks like about 14 pounds, I think.
We're going to have to lower the PSI rating though.
I honestly think that's probably pretty close because that tire's got to get pushed on yet.
Yep. It'd be nice to get some more on the bottom here and just get it stuffed up. Yeah. Because it's a lot of big space here.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
I'll hold it.
See, I'm not, yeah.
Because then it'll spin inside the tire too, eh? And it'll push out through that hole. Fucking thank God for Manitoba gumbo. Hey? Save a trail.
Yeah, I think you can probably keep on going.
Most likely.
I don't know, it's still a long way.
Oh, we got 20 miles out behind us and 30 miles out ahead of us.
This is going to be a heavy tire, but it's going to be like driving on a fucking black mamba.
The old black mamba.
Hey?
Okay, we're gonna